All right, guys, Cade brought up a great, how do you keep busy in the winter? How do you keep those wheels rolling so you can keep making money? How do you stay busy in the winter? How to stay busy in the winter if you're a service provider? How to stay busy in the winter? Let's talk about it. Today we're talking about how to stay busy in the winter in your lawn care and landscaping business. Today we're talking about how to stay busy in the winter in your lawn care and landscaping business. All right, like I said, today we're going to talk about how to stay busy in your lawn care and landscaping business in the winter. This is something everybody struggles if you're in an area where it just shuts down because it's too cold to do anything. And Cade brought this topic up. It's a great topic, and I just looked at his other response. It had already said, another one of my friends commented and said, talking about diversity in services, and I said, that's how you handle it. And he made the great point that the fewer services, the better. So the more niche down you are in your business and whatever you offer, obviously the better you're going to perform. But there are businesses like the lawn and landscape business that, yeah, you should niche down. You should be good at things, but we are a service business. And I heard Jonathan Potochnik say this. I hope I didn't butcher your name if you ever see this, Jonathan. But and I know he's said this multiple times that this is a service business. You are a service business. Stop thinking of yourself as Scooter's Lawn Care, Scooter's Landscaping, whatever it is. Start thinking of yourself as Scooter's Services. Doesn't that sound crazy? But it's true. Everybody fixates so much on something because they want to be so good at it. And I get that you want to be good at it. But for example, what we're going to do, I don't want to be off in the winter. I don't want to, I hear people talking about winter savings. I have an Excel sheet about how I used to do winter savings. Yeah, that's what you got to do if you're going to be off in the winter. But why would you want to be? I don't want to save all this money to erode my profit all winter long because any money you put to the side was profit. And so then you're going to pay taxes on that profit, and then your profit, you're going to do all this, you're going to pay taxes on that profit, then you're going to erode the heck out of that profit because you're going to have to spend it all to keep your life going. And that just sounds horrible to me. And that's not a knock to anybody that does that because that's exactly what I've done. And other than last year, I didn't do that. We started doing the Florida thing and we just kept running. And then this year, I'm going to push into other services because I don't want that. I want to go into other services so my employees can continue working, so I can keep good employees. Staying busy in the winter isn't just about keeping you having a livelihood. It's about keeping your good employees. Look at all these construction and landscaping and lawn care businesses. You're already talking about how bad of a problem you have with employees. And yes, this is getting a little off track, but you're already talking about how bad it is with employees. And then you're going to go lay them off. So whatever good people you have, they're going to leave. Or maybe they don't leave, but it's going to be more likely for them to leave. And why would you want that to happen when you already have a hard time finding good people? So diversify. We're going to move into home services. Eventually, no one's probably heard this, but you're going to hear, this is the first time this is going to be on YouTube video. So there's eventually going to be Scooter's Lawn Care, Scooter's Landscaping, and Scooter Services being 3 different entities, and that's going to help us diversify. The biggest thing we're moving into right now is interior paint. It's been something we've looked into. It really, really looks good for me, and we can do it all winter long. And then we can offer we can set up pricing to offer a discount to people to get them booked in the 2 months that we're off anyway. And all of a sudden, we've patched the hole. We found a service that we can provide fairly easily, and we can patch this downtime. Now, like I said, this is lawn care and landscaping industry, so you can also go into snow plowing. Me personally, I don't love it. There's people that do great with it, but that's another way. Then there is all these other things that if you build your book of business, you build your customers big enough There's other things you can do. We've got a landscaping project pre-approved, down payment made, stone getting shipped in right now for the middle of January, because we need frozen ground just enough that we can get out there, and we're going to put in a natural stone retaining wall. So we can do it all machine work. We can do it in the middle of winter. It's going to take our guys a week, and it's going to keep guys rolling. There's all these little things. And if you don't landscape, diversifying into something like painting or some other service, you know, that's what's beautiful about having a service business. You're already good at sending guys out there, or you're getting good at sending guys out there and offering a service. So go out there and offer a service you can do during the winter and start focusing on that. All summer, think about what it is you can be doing. Like I said, we're probably going to do painting, laminate floors, and ceramic tile. And the way painting is looking, it may end up just being painting. And those are ways to keep yourself busy and things to do. Be creative. There's all kinds of stuff. And what we did this whole year is when we hired people all season long, no one knew why. I mean, our employees knew why, but you know, we didn't talk about this to anybody else besides the people we brought on. But everyone that came on, we found extra incentive to hire people because we were looking for people with interior experience. And we asked that in every interview. And that's why planning is so big. So plan a way to not be laid off, to not be slowed down, to not have this big lull in the winter, so you can stay busy, so you can keep your money coming into the business, to keep your business healthy and rolling and growing, and keep your good employees on so you can continue having them for years to come. Guys, I hope this gave you some ideas. I hope now you've realized that you're not a lawn care landscape business. You're a service business, and you can go out there and you can use that to your advantage. Please hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and the little bell so you know when a new video comes up with some more information if you like this. And leave comments. Let me know what you think. This is a great topic that Cade brought up, and I want to hear what everybody else does to stay busy in the winter. Because all that's going to do is give more ideas. So if people don't know yet, they might see something in those comments below and be like, that right there, that guy's a smart guy. I'm going to follow his idea. And you can all be a part of that. So get in on that and comment. Keep kicking butt. Have a great day. Let's go out. Let's blow out 2019. Let's make it everybody's best year ever. See ya.